Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to connect Ollama with IntelliJ IDEA. So let's open the IntelliJ IDEA. So this is here, current version 2026. So this is now opening. Now here, I'm going to open the command prompt. So in the command prompt, if I write there Ollama minus version. So you can see this version 20.3 that already installed. Now if I write there Ollama, so this is there. Let's select first option. So this is now connecting. Let's write there hi. This is working there. This is thinking and now this will return output. So this here you can see IntelliJ IDEA already have the project. So you can see this icon that is there, JetBrains AI chat. So let's click on this AI chat. Now here we have the option to install the plugins. Click on this install plugins. So plugin is now currently installing. Now you can see this, that's all returning there. When I press given there, hi. Okay. So now this I'm going to do the connection with IntelliJ IDEA. So with the AI plugins we can do here easily. So this is now currently installing the plugins JetBrains AI Assistant. So here this that's come there. You can do the sign in with Codex with ChatGPT. Here use local models this. So for this option, let's use their use local models. So click this. Then this place you can select their OpenAI, Anthropic, OpenAI, Ollama, LM Studio. Using their Ollama, so here base URL you need to give. So this is the basic URL, local URL. So let's copy this one and paste it there. And here you can see given latest stats come there. So local models must be installed there, then this will automatically detect. Let's click on this continue. So this here that's connected.